Hi everyone, my name is Jibi and I am the sales lead at Voxtron. Today we are diving into Odoo Field Service module. A powerful solution designed to enhance the field service operations. If your business relies on providing services outside the office, this video is for you. So let's get started. The Odoo Field Service module is all about optimizing field operations. It allows you to manage service calls, track orders, and enhance communication between your team and your customers. But what makes this module stand out? Let's take a closer look at its key features. First up, we have work order management. In this module, you can create, monitor, and assign work orders in real time. You can set priorities, add notes, add necessary documents, all within the Odoo platform. This means your field technician know exactly what does they need to complete and have all the information right at their fingertips. Efficiently managing your team schedule is crucial for maximizing productivity. Odoo allows you to assign jobs to your technicians based on their availability and location. This not only optimizes route planning but also minimizes travel time. Your technicians can see more clients in a day. One of the standout features of Odoo Field Service module is mobile access. Technicians can easily access their assignments, update job status, and communicate within the office while they're on site. Customer management is another critical aspect. With Odoo, you can keep track of customer information, service history, and preferences. This will help your team to provide a personalized service, leading to higher customer satisfaction. Lastly, the reporting and analytics feature offers insight into your field operations. You can generate reports on work order completion rates, technician performance, and customer feedback. These insights help you identify trends and areas for improvement, ultimately driving better business decisions. Odoo Field Service module is an all-in-one solution designed to enhance the field service operations with various features like order management, scheduling and dispatching, mobile access, customer management, and reporting. Do reach out to us to learn more about our Odoo Field Service module. Thanks for watching.